Hey everyone, today we're Western Merimbula. Got a walk-in refrigerator right here, see? And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.